I started my journey back in 2019 after I had just graduated from FAST with a degree in business administration. And I appeared in CSS 2020 for my first attempt. However, I wasn't able to qualify the essay part, which is why I appeared again in CSS 2021. And fortunately, Allah has been very kind to me, and this time I did qualify. So my journey has also been a very long one.
Okay, so Sara, tell me, there is always an inspiration.
Yes.
And when it comes to girls, either this is an inspiration of his father or mother.
Yes.
What was your inspiration in this journey?
Sir, in this journey, my inspiration was my grandfather, my mother, and my father. I have with me these books that I brought to show that during my preparation phase, I had these three right next to my study table, and I would look at them whenever times would get a little difficult. For instance, this was the book that my mother purchased when she wanted to prepare for CSS. And then these two books were purchased by my grandfather. As you can see, they're very old books, and this book was published in Lucknow, while this book came in the West Pakistan era. And these three books have kept me going when times got tough, when it was difficult to move on. I would just look at these books and I would just be inspired all over again. So for me, the inspiration was very tangible. My mother and my grandfather is a retired professor. My mother is currently serving as an associate professor. And yes, I've been very lucky.